Hi, in front of me I have OPPO A5s and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's open the settings first, and to do it, tap on the settings icon right here. Once in settings, let's select home screen and wallpaper. Here let's select set wallpaper. Now select one of the folders, for example wallpaper. And here we have list of wallpapers. Tap on the one you like, then tap on set as. Here you can select one of the options. First one is set as lock screen wallpaper, and second one is set as home screen wallpaper. We want to change the home screen wallpaper, so let's select set as home screen wallpaper. Now let's go back to home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper changed. And that's how you change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.